Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best VPN for Free Fire game. Let's start. If your device is Android, go to Play Store. If your device is Apple, go to App Store. Then search Speedify. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. In the first step, tap on Agree and Continue. Then select Allow. Close this page. And finally, tap on Connect here. Very fast and safe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.